What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about drift and how to block users if they're spamming you or they, are being abusive in their chats. It shouldn't happen, but it does. And spam a lot of times is going to come through these chatbots with people trying to sell you stuff and being pretty aggressive about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to block these users, but there's a couple things to consider first. This is available on every plan of drift, but you have to know that once you are blocked, it blocks by the IP address. So sometimes, especially in smaller countries even, those IPs may not be segmented out, and it's going to block everybody on that IP. As soon as the user is blocked, they're no longer going to be able to send you any messages in drift. And for now, they'll still see the drift widget. So they'll see the little button in the bottom. You're just not going to receive any messages. Also, once they're blocked, a user cannot be unblocked. So that's something you consider as well. So as you're going through and doing this, I would only do this if you are having people that are soliciting through your bot even, or trying to game your bot. And I would say that this has started to be a little bit more of an issue since we started doing these videos, because there's a lot of people testing out the bot and being kind of shady. I have no problem if you want to test out the bot. Just say you're testing out the bot so that we know to kind of block it out of our analytics. So as we go in to demonstrate how to block a user, I have an example here on screen. So on screen, you see this person has come through. They're actually saying that they're looking to hire an agency, but then they go through and start to sell us website design service. It's pretty funny because we offer that service. They're obviously not doing their homework. But as they come through, you'll see that there's a gear in the top right. You can click block this user, and a second that you click block this user, it is going to say you are about to block this user. Blocking user will disable drift for this entire IP address. That means users won't be able to chat with you or receive any campaigns. The reason that that's important is this is like end all be all. You're putting the kibosh on them ever leaving you a message via drift. So you can go ahead and click block user. You're going to see that note, and you'll also see the confirmation in the bottom that that person is blocked. So you won't have to worry about this person coming back through and having a conversation. And this does block them based on their contact and also their IP. All right. So if you have any other questions about how to use drift, please feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help you out. If you'd like to see some other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and do that here. And if you would like to subscribe to our channel for these daily tutorial videos, you can do this right here. But until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.